So here's the story. I can eat foods that are not good for me as long as I do it every 6 months. How the human mind thinks. I can do it today because it's okay, but tomorrow I can't. The consumption of food, our calories. Should we be eating a perfect diet? What is the truth about our nutrition? So my video is going to be about a geometric shape. In fact, it's going to be multiple geometric shape based on obligations. And the obligations is going to come from, first what we're going to create is the square. So let me make sure I have enough paper here. We're going to start with the square, and then we're going to go to obligations with the square. Okay, I think I have to start another book. Book number like 500. You know, a friend of mine, she says, when are you writing your book? And I wrote 400 of them already, and 8,000 plus videos, which if you look back on some of the channels, Mr. Tackpans, or even on Rumble, or my name on Rumble is ABCEHMU. And that's because it is actually 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and 21. It's a Fibonacci run-up. It's actually AA, and A plus A equals B, B plus A equals C, C plus B equals E, E plus C equals H, H plus E equals M, M and H equals U. The total of this run-up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in rotation, and then this will be 34, but the alphabet will no longer, so I'm keeping it this way. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 12, 20, 33, 43, 53, 54. The numeric value to the sun is that same numeric value. It is the IT system. So here's the square. So here is your first square. So what happens to my first square? Actually, my first square is here. So if I want to cut my first square, I'm going to cut it in half. But I'm going to cut it in half in what they call aigu, or I will cut it in half of what they call grave. Now, if I cut them both in half in aigu grave, or let's call it gaigu, okay, as one word, it becomes a circumflex. This is what I'm doing right now is the evolution of a shape, okay? And we're going to call them cutting shapes, straight lines. So in this shape over here, we can cut off the corners. We're only looking to cut corners right now, okay? It's an expression. We cut corners, a diamond appears in the center, and then we have 4 triangles on the outside. So if I just design 4 triangles on the outside, it would actually create the same design. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go one size larger. So this was number 11, and this was number 22 over here, and this is number 33. It's a 3 by 3 square. And then we're going to go to 44. And it's a 4 by 4 square. So we take everything to our own. When we cut the corners off here, we end up with the octagon 8, what was once a square 4. Therefore, bringing the relationship to 8 and 4. So we have to understand things that go with 8 and 4. So anyways, I just wanted to do the base of this, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus, to the vines of life.